The Arisan app is designed to manage social gathering funds. Its main features include 1. Creating a list of members. 2. Recording each member's payments. 3. Tracking prizes that have already been distributed. 4. Randomly selecting a winner and recording the prize amount. 5. And most importantly, easily identifying members who haven't made their payments. Here's an example of how to use the Arisan app. Stay tuned, because later I'll share tips on how to identify members who haven't made their payments. Let's start by adding members to the Arisan. To do this, tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Enter the member's name, then tap Save. Repeat this process for all members. Next, let's record payments made by members. Go to the History menu by tapping the History tab below, then tap the plus icon. You can set the date and time of the transaction. If it's a payment, select Payment. Tap the person icon to choose a member. Enter the payment amount and then tap Save. The payment amount will be saved automatically, so there's no need to retype the same amount. To select a winner, go to the Raffle menu. Then tap Raffle. You'll see the names being shuffled. Tap Stop to reveal the winner. Once the winner is selected, you can tap Save and Pay. The prize transaction will be recorded. Next, let's input a member's payment. Then, go to the Members menu and tap the Payment column to sort the data by payment amounts. By sorting payments, you can easily identify who hasn't made their payments, those with the smallest payment amounts. In the History menu, you can filter the data by date, member name, or transaction type. Thank you, and I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and tap the bell icon.